Welcome friends, my name is Mai. Today we are making delicious spicy Korean rice cakes called tteokbokki using our wonderful Instant Pot pressure cooker. The Instant Pot is a multi-function cooking appliance that reduces cooking time and enhances flavor. For this delicious recipe, you will need dry kelp, raw Korean rice cakes, Korean hot pepper flakes, Korean hot pepper paste, fish balls, minced garlic, chopped shallot, anchovy paste, sugar, and boiled eggs. Begin by soaking 2 large pieces of kelp in the cooking water. Now make the seasoning for the broth. Combine red pepper paste, red pepper flakes, and sugar. Mix together. Using the saute function, saute the chopped shallot and minced garlic. Saute about 30 seconds. Now add the kelp and cooking water. Boil for 5 minutes. Now remove the kelp. Stir in anchovy paste and the red pepper paste mixture. Now add the rice cakes. Pressure cook on low for 5 minutes. Now add the fish balls and eggs. The sauce is delicious and the fish ball is amazing. And here you have delicious spicy Korean rice cakes. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell